All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. You're in the shop of SC Custom Designs. This is going to be a real quick video to finish up making the dovetails, the through dovetails on the LEIGH D4R Pro. Simply the best jig in the world. Prove me wrong. Let's zoom in a little bit here. This is the pin side. Well, these are the pins, right? That's the tail peeking through there. If you come over here, you can have a look and see that these are the tails. Really kind of blends in there. The wood you're looking at is African Padauk. Really beautiful orange wood. Here's what it looks like when you cut it. Look at that color down there. So if you want to achieve dovetails like this, I highly recommend this jig. I don't represent LEIGH in any way other than being proud owner of their product. And so please watch the previous 4 videos where I show you how to do that. I mean, hopefully you'll enjoy that. Next, what I have to do is to take this beautiful purple wood and I need to join it together so that it becomes a sliding lid. That's what I decided that I'm going to do. I'm going to make a sliding lid, and it's going to come in about down here and just slide right in through this whole frame here. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be joining this up, and so that'll be interesting. Stay tuned for that episode. What I'm thinking right off the bat how to do this is to simply take some finish nails, and what you do is you snip the finish nail in half, and then you just knock them in very carefully, the edges. Put your glue on there. I'll probably use this Gorilla Glue that I'm very happy with. As a matter of fact, I have a piece here that I glued up yesterday. Let's take it off. Set it free. This was the beta piece. This is the beta piece for creating the box that you saw there, up there. Sorry for all the gyrating. Okay. A little bit of glue got under there, and I'm trying to do it all with one hand. There you go. So you can see right there, maybe. Kind of blends in. That's where it cracked on me. And Gorilla Glue is really ready to go within 15 minutes. Trying to break it apart. You know, pine is pretty vulnerable as it's not that strong. But so the Gorilla Glue is really amazing. Here's the Gorilla Glue I used. Here I did a couple episodes on Gorilla Glue. They make this product also in the tube. I use that for my front porch repair. So at any rate, and as I recommended, you would want to make the box not initially, you know, out of that prized wood that you have, but by all means use cheaper wood like pine. The other piece is somewhere, but that's not what this video is about. It's about showing you how to make these dovetails. Please stay tuned to the rest of the episode as this box comes to life. Thank you for watching this short episode of SC Custom Designs. And do my usual goodbye. Masalami, shalom v'racha, totzins, zaijian. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Hit the bell to be to be notified that a video went out. Thanks. Bye-bye.